Welcome back to Dashcam Lunatic. If you enjoy our videos, consider hitting that subscribe button. To be featured in our videos, send your clips to us to the email address in the description below.
Traffic on A130. Traffic jam ahead.
Again, get your gear and then have a little check again. Nice job. What are we looking for before we accelerate? Very good. Is the danger with this queue, this side?
There could be a cyclist on this.
So what sort of speed to go past this queue? I agree. It just needed a little delay until you can see a little more. Very good. Friend or foe?
Police!
Eh?
I'm a police officer, mate.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Yeah? And what are you doing? You trying to kill people?
Do you see me indicator?
Are you trying to kill people?
Oh, do you see me
Are you
indicator?
talking to me like this now? Do you want to go to the police station, mate?
Bring them here.
Bring them
them
here,
here.
you sick
Yeah.
fat cunt.
Yeah, you are.
If something like this ever happens to you, the best thing you can do is stay in your car and ask to see their badge or identification. If they don't show it to you, you don't have to comply with anything they tell you.
Screwed up to a wooden board or something, you know? You know, like what most people do with them. You know, they mount them on a wall somewhere, you know? And then they run the wires up to it, you know? Or they put little holes underneath it and run the wires through the holes and then sharply turn it up, or they put it into the part where the wires go into, you know? And the wires go behind the wall, you know? You know, to make it look more neater, you know?
Yeah.
So that's what they usually do. Damn! Somebody was like trying to fucking somebody was trying to get into the right lane.
When you see a traffic light turn yellow, just slow down, unless you're very close to the intersection already. Speeding up and trying to make it through can easily result in an accident, since another traffic light could already have turned green. Not paying attention or being on your phone can have its consequences, like rear-ending someone else. Luckily, this driver reacted extremely quickly and managed to almost completely avoid the accident. It never hurts to look in your mirrors even when you're not moving.
Defending them after calling them garbage and saying it won't happen. It's on its way, and there's zero plan to prevent it.
Changing lanes at an intersection in the last minute can be dangerous, since other drivers who are just arriving to the intersection aren't prepared for someone pulling out in front of them.